Hey, it's Mike from Next Gen RV. How are you guys? My RV's in the shop. It's still winter in Michigan, and I may or may not be obsessed with my truck. So I'm going to do a video about 6 quick little mods that I've done on my 2022 F250. All right, 4 of them are just appearance based. 2 of them are kind of on the inside of the truck, and I'll get to that when I get there. And so yeah, let's just get to it before I lose sunlight. I mean, I've already lost golden hour, but I might be able to do it. All right, my first mod is this little antenna here. Yeah, so I personally can't stand the way the stock antennas look on the F150s or the F250s. So yeah, I got this one. I will be honest, I'm not 100% sure what I think about it. I might get a different one, but yeah, for now this one works. It doesn't do anything for the reception for the radio. In fact, it makes it worse, but I just think it's more aesthetically pleasing. Mod number 2 are the mud flaps. Yeah, I have the same brand on the F150, and I love these. I like how they look. Super easy to install. Also, the snow is melting in Michigan. I'm just never gonna get a clean shot of them, so it is what it is. All right, the next mod that I did are these Husky liners for the wheel wells on both back wheel wells. Yeah, I think if you see right in there, the little white, that's how it looks without these liners in there. You can just see sort of the bare metal and it's painted white, and it just, yeah, it just doesn't look good. So, again, those Husky liners are actually quite easy to install. The 4th mod, oh wait, my arm's not long enough. So yeah, this version of the F250 does not come with any Tailgate Assist, so I installed this. I'm sure you can't even see it. Yeah, so I installed this nice little Tailgate Assist. Yeah, that makes me very happy. Much more happier than it should. All right, the 5th mod that I added is this Motorola wireless Android dongle. So on the 2022 XLT trim level for the F250, wireless Android is not available. So there's my phone, not plugged into anything. Look at that. The final mod that I have here is this pedal commander. So what is the pedal commander? Well, it does not make your vehicle go faster or give it more horsepower or even accelerate faster. I just don't like the way the throttle works. The throttle response on this truck is. I feel like it's a little too long to get it where I want it to go. So this is really not about hoping to get faster or more horsepower or any of that kind of thing, because you really can't do that with a pedal commander. But what you can do is kind of change how the throttle responds. It has city support, Sport Plus, and those really just, the higher up you go, the shorter the length of the throttle response really is. So I just keep it at city. I just wanted to adjust it just a little bit. And yeah, I just like how it drives using this versus just without it.